Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Transit 250. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, power windows, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, third passenger door, driver airbag. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.